Good afternoon, my dear students. Welcome back to IIT Physics online class. Our revision lesson name is Units and Measurements. Today's topic is Derived Physical Quantity. Physical quantities derived from fundamental or supplementary physical quantities are called derived physical quantities. The units of derived quantities are called derived units. Some of the derived quantities and their units mentioned here. Derived quantities and their units. Physical quantity is area. Expression is length into breadth. Unit is meter square. Physical quantity is volume. Expression is area into height. Unit is meter cube. Physical quantity is velocity. Expression is displacement by time. Unit is meter second inverse. Physical quantity is acceleration. Expression is velocity by time. Unit is meter second inverse square. Physical quantity is angular velocity. Expression is angular displacement by time. Unit is rad second inverse. Physical quantity is angular acceleration. Expression is angular velocity by time. Unit is rad second inverse square. Physical quantity is density. Expression is mass by volume. Unit is kilogram meter inverse cube. Physical quantity is momentum. Expression is mass into velocity. Unit is kilogram meter second inverse. Kilogram meter second inverse. Dear students, kindly open your Physics IIT book, page number 51. Fourth point, some derived units named after scientists are mentioned below. Scientist name, symbol, quantity, SI base unit, equivalents. Joule, capital J, energy, work, heat. Quantities are energy, work, heat. Base units are kilogram, meter square, second inverse square. Second inverse square. Newton, capital N, force, weight are quantities. Base units are kilogram, meter, second inverse square. Pascal, PA, quantities are pressure, stress. Kilogram, meter inverse, second inverse square. Watt, W, power, radiant flux. Kilogram, meter square, second inverse cube. Page number 52. Synopsis 3. Rules for writing units in SI. Rules for writing units in SI. First one, all the symbols of the fundamental unit should be written as they appear in table of SI units. All symbols of fundamental units should be written as they appear in table of SI units. 5 small m, 5 meters, 5 small m. Second one, in compound units, all the symbols of the fundamental units should be written as they appear in the table of SI units. In the compound units of all the symbols of fundamental units, write again kilogram, second inverse. Second inverse means kilogram means kg. Second inverse means s power minus 1. kg s power minus 1. Third one, some of the units are represented by the names of the scientist as an honor for their research in the respective fields. The full name of such units should be written with a lower initial letters. 7 Newton. 7 small letter Newton. 7 Newton. Fourth one, actually unit of force is kilogram meter second inverse square. It is named as Newton, capital N. Kilogram meter second inverse square. It is named as Newton, capital N. Symbol is capital N. The symbol of the unit named after a scientist should always be written with the capital letter 5 capital N. Punctuations like full stop, comma, etc. should not be used after the symbol of unit. Full stop, comma, we didn't write that symbol of unit. 5 seconds, 5 yes. Sixth one, a unit should always be represented in a singular form. A unit should always be represented in a singular form. 5 kg, not 5 kgs, 5 kg. Number 56. Related to practice sheet 1. First point, any quantity which can be measured is called a physical quantity. Any quantity which can be measured is called a physical quantity. There are 3 types of physical quantities are there. Fundamental quantities, derived quantities, supplementary quantities. The physical quantity which does not depends upon other quantity, that is called the fundamental quantity. Example, length, mass, time, etc. The physical quantity that can be derived from the fundamental quantity is known as derived quantity. Example, area, volume, density, acceleration, force, etc. To measure a physical quantity, we need a standard of the same quantity, that is called unit. Every measurement has 2 parts. First part is number or numerical value. Second part, unit. Number or numerical value. Second part, unit. Number or numerical value inversely proportional to the unit, or capital N into capital U equal to constant, or N1 U1 equal to N2 U2. The unit used to measure the fundamental quantity is called fundamental unit. The unit used to measure the derived quantity is called derived unit. Principal systems of units. There are 4 systems of units, namely CGS, system or metric system, FPS, system or British system, MKS system, SI, international system. Angstrom, capital A equal to 10 power minus 10 meters equal 10 power minus 8 centimeter for wavelength. Nanometer, small n small m equal to 10 to the power of minus 9, that equal 10 to the power of minus 7 centimeter equal 10 angstroms. Fermi equal 10 to the power of minus 15 meters, size of the nucleus. 1 Born equal 10 to the power of minus 28 meters square. Unit of area of measuring the cross sectional of nuclei. Micron, mu small m, that equal 10 power minus 6 meters for size of the bacteria. 1 light year equal 9.46 into 10 to the power of 15 meters, distance of stars. 1 parasecond equal 3.26 light year equal 3.08 into 10 to the power of 16 meters. 1 astronomical unit, capital A, capital U equal 1.496 into 10 to the power of 11 meters. 1 mile equal 1.60934 kilometers. 1 light year is the distance travelled by light in 1 year in vacuum or air. This unit is used in astronomy. Astronomical unit is the mean distance of the Earth from the Sun. This unit is used in astronomy. Number 57. Practice sheet 1. Conceptual understanding questions. First one. A standard value which is used to measure a physical quantity is called scale, meter, unit, second. The desirable features of a standard unit are consistent, reproducible, variable, all of these. Which of the following system of units is not based on only units of mass, length and time? SI, CGS, MKS, FPS. Which of the following is not the name of the physical quantity? Time, speed, force and kilogram. The SI system of units is adopted in 1951, 1961, 1971 and 1981. I hope all are understand today's topics. First unit, read properly. Thank you and God bless you all.